Welcome to the tutorial for Onsite One's company portal. We are excited to announce that Onsite Health and Safety has launched a new platform. For now, this new platform is in use by our collectors for drug screen testing, and we anticipate adding more of our services in the future. Part of this new platform is the creation of the company portal. Once set up, this portal will give individual companies and users their own login credentials and access to their company's information. Once logged in, users will have the ability to explore and manage various aspects, such as job site locations, adding administrative users, live time notification of drug testing orders and results, if you have an interest in your company having their own portal user access, the first step is to email us at onsite1@oshsadmin.com. In this email, you will need to provide us with the first name, last name, email address of the main user, and the company name. Once created, you will receive an automated email with all of the information and links needed to complete your user account setup. Additionally, this email will contain a video tutorial link on how to invite for and schedule screening. The Invite and Schedule option is a convenient and more efficient way for your employees to have all of the necessary information pre-filled prior to the arrival of our collectors, thus saving time and money. Utilizing the Invite option empowers the administrator to send a drug testing form directly to the employee, who will then complete it and present it to the collector during service. Alternatively, the Schedule options allows the administrator to complete these forms for the employee and generate an order for the test that you can send to your employee. Both options will generate a form containing a QR code that will be presented to our collector at the time of service. If neither of these options work for you, our collectors have the ability to order and complete these forms on-site at the time of service. It is important to note, as this is a newly implemented system, you will still need to arrange your drug testing services for our collectors to be dispatched to your location by either contacting our call center at 866-998-2750 or by scheduling online at oshsadmin.com. This completes our quick tutorial for the Onsite One Customer Portal. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you and have a great day.